Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will be solving this particular SQL question which have been asked in the Microsoft and it is tagged as hard question, hard interview question. So the question is like premium versus freemium. Okay, so let's read out the question. So find the total number of downloads for paying and non-paying users by date. Include only records where non-paying customers have more downloads than paying customers. The output should be sorted by earliest date first and contain three columns: date, non-paying downloads and paying downloads as well. Okay, so let's have a look on the data. So we are having three tables here. So first of all, we have to apply a join here. Like first of all, we should have to establish a join between these three tables, and then we can figure out that what is the requirement of the problem statement. Okay, so first of all, let's start writing the query with a basic join. Okay, so we can write select star from these three tables. Okay, and we can give them alias as m1, and we can do this as m2, and we can give an alias to this as m3, and we are now establishing a join on the basis of conditions like where m1 dot account id should be equal to m2 dot account id. Okay, m2 dot account id and m1 dot user id, because uh, after analyzing these three tables we can figure out that user id, table 1's user id is matching with the ms download facts key user id. So we have to establish on the basis of this condition like m1 dot user id equals m3 dot user id. Okay, so let's run this query, and we are having the total table, all records we are having like this. Okay, so now let's see the form problem statement. Find the total number of downloads, total number of downloads. Okay, so we are having this as column downloads for paying and non-paying customers. Okay, so this is a column where we are having paying customers as no and yes, these are the values. Users by date. Okay, include only records where non-paying customers have more downloads than paying customers. Okay, the output should be sorted by earliest date first and contain three columns: date, non-paying downloads, and paying downloads. Okay, so the problem is looking like this. Okay, so we have to now let's discuss the approach to solve this problem statement. Okay, we have to find the total number of downloads for paying customers and non-paying customers by date. Okay, so we can do this separately. Like we can use a common table expression where we will be finding total number of downloads for only paying customers, in which the value is yes, and in other common table expression we can find the total number of downloads for those paying customers which are having value as no. Okay, and we will group these by date. Okay, so let's do this first. Okay, with ctes. Okay, we are giving the name as cte. Okay, select, we have to find the total number of downloads. Okay, so total number of downloads, which means sum of downloads. Okay, sum of downloads. Okay, as paying, we can assign it as paying. Okay, where this and paying customers is coming from m2. Okay, and m2 dot paying customer should be yes. Okay, and we should have to find this by date. Okay, so we can find this by group by date is from m3. Okay, m3 dot date. Okay, so let's run this query by simply writing the query select star from CTE. Okay, so we are having these are having as a output. Okay, so these are only for the paying customers. Okay, find the total number of downloads for paying and non-paying users by date. Okay, so we can fetch date here as well. Okay, so these are having we are having date here as well. Okay, similarly we have to do this for the non-paying customers as well. So we can just select this, copy this, and comma we can use another CTE common table expression as, okay, and we can paste it, and we can do this as non-paying. Okay, comma date from this, and where this is no. Okay, so it is quite simple. Okay, we are having one common table expression here, and the next one is here as select. Okay, and we can do like this. Okay, and yeah, and now select star from CTE. So we are having this is s, and from CT1 we are having like this. Okay, so we have separately counted the sum of downloads for paying and non-paying. Okay, so the next thing is include only records where non-paying customers have more downloads than paying customers. Okay, okay, so select star from CTE1, select star from CTE comma CTE1. Okay, where the output should be sorted, uh, include only records where non-paying customers have more downloads than paying customers. Okay, so we can write here as CTE dot paying, include only records where non-paying customers have more downloads. Okay, so non-payer customers have more downloads than paying. Okay, so CTE1 dot non-paying, okay, should be greater than CTE dot paying. Okay, so यही हमें क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है कि include only records where non-paying customers have more downloads. Non-paying customers have more downloads than paying customers. Okay, so these are having the thing, and the output should be sorted by earliest date first. Okay, so order by CTE dot date ASC. Okay, so let's run this query. So we are having this. Okay, but now we can see here, uh, we should apply one more filter here, that CTE1 dot date should be equal to CTE dot date, बिकॉज हमें कॉमन डेट्स के लिए चाहिए डेटा. ठीक है, यहाँ पर डेट है 2028-15 एंड यहाँ पर है 2028-25, बट हमें कॉमन के लिए, कॉमन डेट्स के लिए हमें चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट में भी देखते हैं तो ये कॉमन डेट्स के लिए हमें दिखा रहा है कि ये कॉमन डेट है, इनके लिए यहाँ पर ये था नॉन पेइंग के लिए, एंड पेइंग के लिए ये है. तो यहाँ पर हमें डिफरेंट डेट्स के लिए नहीं चाहिए, सो देयरफॉर हम यहाँ पर इस तरह से कोई फिल्टर लगा सकते हैं. ओके, ठीक है, एंड अगर हम इसको अपने एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट से मैच करते हैं, सो यस, इट इज एग्जैक्टली मैचिंग. बस यहाँ पर एक डेट का कॉलम एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है, उसे हम नेगलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे स्टार लगाया है तो यहाँ पर सिर्फ हम लगा सकते हैं सिलेक्ट CTE डॉट CTE से हम पेइंग ले रहे हैं. ठीक है, CTE डॉट पेइंग कोमा CTE डॉट डेट कोमा CTE1 डॉट नॉन पेइंग. ठीक है, एंड ये अगर हम कोड रन करते हैं, सो यस, वी आर एग्जैक्टली हैविंग द एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट. नाउ इसको हम इस सोल्यूशन से चेक भी करते हैं, तो यस, ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स आर ग्रीन, दैट मीन्स हमने प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर दिया. सो यस, दिस वाज अ क्वाइट अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन. ओके, तो ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में पूछा गया था, एंड इट इज टैग्ड एज हार्ड इंटरव्यू एसक्यूएल क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, सो अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में मेरे को बता सकते हो, मैं आपके डाउट्स को रिजॉल्व कर दूंगा। ठीक है। सो यहाँ पर हमने दो अलग अलग सीटीईज के थ्रू इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया है। एक सीटी के अंदर हमने दिस ये वाले सिटी के अंदर हमने पेइंग के लिए डाउनलोड्स को काउंट कर लिया है, एंड दूसरे सिटी के अंदर हमने नॉन पेइंग के लिए डाउनलोड्स को काउंट कर लिया है। एंड फाइनली हमने इन दोनों सिटी से सिलेक्ट करके जो भी पर्टिकुलर फिल्टर कंडीशन हमें अप्लाई करनी थी वो हमने अप्लाई की है यहाँ पर, ताकि हमें कॉमन रिकॉर्ड्स मिल सके, दोनों सिटीज के लिए कॉमन डेट्स के लिए मिल सके। एंड देन हमने फाइनली ऑर्डर बाय सिटी डॉट डेट कर दिया। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर अमेजिंग इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस।